We're at CES 2022 with Lenovo, and we're checking out the ThinkBook 13X Gen 2i, which probably has the most unique way of charging itself of any laptop out there. The ThinkBook 13X Gen 2 works with a wireless multi-device charging mat that both charges the notebook itself and allows you to charge your smartphone at the same time. The ThinkBook itself has been upgraded with an improved screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio with Dolby Vision. It also has Wi-Fi 6E, an FHD camera with a privacy shutter, and dual Thunderbolt ports, along with Harman Kardon speakers and Dolby Atmos. The ThinkBook 13X Gen 2i will be available in April for $1099. The wireless charging mat will be available for $199.